The matter, which resumed this Friday for ruling and judgment, saw Justice Ladiran Akintola carefully examining other applications filed by counsel while also striking out some and admitting others on merit. He cleared the respondent challenge on jurisdiction of the court, stating that the State High Court, as the closest court to the place of act, gives its jurisdiction to hear the matter. He also stated that self-determination is allowed under Nigeria's constitution. He said the court finds merit in the application that his right to liberty was violated and awarded 20 billion naira compensation for the invasion and aggravated damages to the resident of Sunday Igboho. The lead counsel for Sunday Igboho, Yomi Aliyu SAN, says the judgment is victory for democracy and rule of law.
The day is victory for democracy and the rule of law. We now see that we have to go back to the motto of MBA, by Jews or by remedium, and that is exactly what happened today, which means where there's a damage, there's a remedy. I asked for 500 billion and I was given 20 billion naira. It is not the money that matters. It is the triumph of democracy and rule of law. It's now left for government. And who are the government? Only 3 people: National Security Advisor, the AGF, and DSS. That is in DSS.
He also speaks on the 2 million naira awarded to his team against the respondent team led by Abubakar Abdullahi.
The 2 million naira damages for our coming to court is cost the expenses we expended, we incurred in pursuing the case. That is, I asked for 10 million naira and I was given 2. The Odua Nation people, instead of taking to arms, they've gone to court. And there's nowhere they can go to now except the court. I believe now their rights should be respected. Their rights should be respected anywhere they are in the world.
It will be recalled that men of DSS invaded Soka house of Sunday Igboho in the wee hour of July 1, killing 2 persons and damaging several other properties, including animals.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.